we have another so after code 36140, we have another huge bunch of descriptive guidance. I would be sure to read it.
3610.
36140. So it talks about the diagnostic studies.
Primary artery.
And then also the difference for the interventions.
Thank you.
And then you also get into the diagnostic studies for cervical cerebral arteries. Okay, so when all of this is kind of, they try and reduce this, and this is a page number, page 229 for me. So all of this complicated stuff that they give us with all of the guidelines and all of those good things that we should know gets reduced down to a table.
Okay.
So it talks about the insertion of catheter. Okay.
Repair removal.
Insertion,
Repair and removal.
partial replacement, complete replacement, removal.
Just be aware of the table. First, because there's too much in these guidelines to go, I mean, we could spend four hours just on this. So I'm kind of counting on you all to do a little reading. Read this first, and then this will make more sense. Trying to see what else is likely to be on. Page 238. Okay, they have very specific coding guidelines for revascularization, and it all depends on the territory, as they call it. And this is going to be a lot of the balloon angioplasties and such. I do want to bring your attention to code 37250. And 37251. Okay, so
37. Sorry, what code?
Add on code.
37250 and 37251.
Okay.
But also, it's an ultrasound code. It is an add-on code, but basically, this is, so it's,
Missing. Missing.
okay. These can be, are definitely used with some of the therapeutic codes. I'm not, because there's also an ultrasound guidance codes. So unfortunately, for your homework, the main portion of your homework is you really need to read the cardiology section, because we would have to spend 4 to 8 hours just doing that. Because like the rest of the 30,000 is fairly straightforward. It's just, in terms of having any guidelines to go through, the transplantation will obviously have guidelines, but the resections and repair are all pretty much simple. What time is it?
12.
12:20. 20.
12:20? Okay. So we've got about 40 minutes. I know this was short, I'm covering new material. Do you have any questions on stuff going up to now? I know you all probably do. And I probably should have given the homework of reading the cardiovascular system before we came in. Okay, so go ahead and stop.